Right, thanks mate, cheers.
Oh dear, they get one and another one's in. Look at the shoulders on this lad, Shahid Afridi, he's played a bit.
Here we go, get a chance here.
Oh, he does, he gets it on the full. Fine leg was up, shovels it, leg side, gets the boundary, 96 for 3.
Slow left arm. Afridi can't hold back. And why should he? That's soaring away for 6 over extra cover.
He sides this. Just have a look at this shot as he dances down the pitch. Huge scythe in his hand. Look at that airborne.
Successive 6s then. Oh, big appeal. Big appeal. He's still there though, Tom. Nifty work. Chesney, what have you done there? Dragged it down and going to be 4. Just has to be.
Oh, it's a tie. Short and wide. Afridi is off and running. 17 from 9. He's not run much. 2 4s and a 6.
He's rolling it out, Chesney Hughes. Not a lot of turn. Full toss, leg stump, clubbed away and no chance for Elston at deep mid-wicket.
Low full toss. Quick hands. He's enjoying this.
Up and over, short third man. Won't go for 4, I don't think. Yes, he will. It's going to run away. Bit of top spin on that from Afridi. Sorry, he says.
Well, he's seen that mid-off has been brought up inside the circle. That's like a magnet. And he squirts this. He's no idea where it's gone.
Apologetic, Shahid. Straight down the ground, mid-off up. Just asking for 4 and he's got 4 more.
I just think you've got to have, at this pace, for Afridi, a long off and a long on. At this pace, I'm not sure why you need fine leg. There's Durston's thinking, what's he going to do?
A leg back. There you go. Oh, he's flicked it straight to mid-wicket, though. Couldn't get it square.